Hi everyone, I'm back. Okay, needed to take a couple of days off. Did the hot and cold thing. The heating pad felt so good on my back. Did some other things to take care of myself. Okay, what I did was slip as I walked down my stairs. That rug wasn't there. It normally is, but the wind blew it away. So there was just wood and a big ice chunk. That's why I slipped, because of the ice on the wood. So I think what I'm going to do is nail that rug down. There you go. That's the solution. Ha ha! Not feeling it today. I need to sit in my little cocoon and regenerate like a butterfly. I was gonna take a shower, but I'm not up for it. I just want to thank so many of my subscribers for really leaving me sweet comments. Really meant a lot to me. I greatly appreciate that. So a special thank you for you guys. And I know some of you are just kind of shy out there, but you still cared. Anyway, RV Fat Cat is back. How about we get going on the chicken and dumplings? Yeah? Alright. You saw the first step of boiling and deboning the chicken. Then what I do is put the broth in the refrigerator so that the fat congeals on the top, and then I remove that. Okay, I got my ingredients set up. I'm going to sweat the onions in some coconut oil and butter. It's not a necessary step. That's just what I do. You know, that's the thing about cooking. You can see something and then play off of it and do it your way. So this is just what I do. Okay, ready to sweat the onions, saute the onions. We got some celery. Do you like my little celery decoration? I love these inside tender pieces, don't you? The other thing I love is celery with cream cheese. Yeah. All right. Ooh, those are so good. So tender. I would normally do carrots in here, but I'm using sliced canned carrots because I have a few cans of those. Somebody gave me some up in Denver. They were moving. They didn't want to transport them. So I said, I'll take them. Because Fat Cat will eat darn near anything. I'm also going to be putting in some green beans. Again, it's stuff I've had around. You can put what you like in there. I don't have any peas. Just put whatever you like. That's the fun thing about cooking like this. Just put what you like. I'm no Betty Crocker cookieologist. Where'd that come from? This is just my way. You can always improvise and do things your way. That's the fun thing about cooking. I sometimes put in cream of chicken and cream of mushroom, but we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that today. Okay, so the first step was boiling and deboning the chicken and putting spices into your broth. Here's my chicken. I put it in the fridge because some of you know I couldn't finish. All right, woo! It's getting hot in here already. It's not cold now like it was a few days ago. These veggies are done sweating, and I'm starting to sweat too. We're gonna have to turn on the air. Ooh, Lordy. It gets hot fast when you use the propane. That's done for now. I'm going to heat up the broth. Then I'll toss everything in. Ooh, that is good. I think that's one of my best chicken and dumpling broths. So I'm gonna put in the celery and onion mixture. I put garlic in here too. I don't think I said that earlier, but garlic and onions go in just about everything I cook. Okay, we're gonna do that, and then the green beans. I'm gonna put some of the juice in there, but not all of it. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Some of the carrot juice. Let me see how it tastes. Ooh, that's sweet. Dang, I shouldn't have dumped any of that out. I know there's sugar in here. Then my chicken. Oh yeah, baby. There it is. All that chicken. See, I'll freeze the rest of this. Like I split it in half right there. This in a little quart baggie, this in a little quart baggie. And then it's there for chicken pasta dishes, stuff like that. I think I might put some of this cream of mushroom. Let me taste this. I need a little more of chicken broth flavor. You know, because you do want plenty of liquid for your chicken and dumplings. You know, and that's the thing about cooking. You do the taste test and you keep adding things so you get the right flavor. See, the flavor was perfect till I added the juice from that other stuff. It's still good, but I'm going to put some more of this in there. And a little bit more Italian seasoning. Okay, chicken and dumplings for me is a process, but look at all that. I mean, that's several meals worth. Okay, I decided to add the cream of chicken and the cream of mushroom. Okay, so another tip on something like this, where I want the flavors to all kind of marry together, and you're not just running your propane forever and ever, is I'll turn it up, get it kind of boiling, and then turn off the stove and put the lid on it and just let it sit there for a while. Okay, I know my chicken and dumplings is kind of a process, but I care very much about the flavor, so I take my time. You know, it's usually an all-day event for me. I don't know, maybe I should get one of those sun ovens. I've been thinking about it because I think it's freaking cool. Let the sun cook something like this, or like a stew, or, you know, something that takes a long time because you want all the flavors to condense and really be all scrumpalicious. Scrumpy-a-delicious. No, all scrumpadil. All scrumpdilicious. Okay, y'all, this has been the video from hell, and it's been the cooking from hell since I fell. Oh, shit. Oh, Lordy, it's Tuesday on this clip. The previous clip was yesterday, Monday, and I started fading again because I was up and about. So So I never made the dumplings. I just ate it as a soup. And I put these on the border chips on top of it. These chips are good, by the way. I think this big old bag at Walmart, it's under $3. Oh, I love these chips. They are really good. So, the previous clip, I'd stop. I was just done. Okay, so I'm ready to get busy with it. But, you know, I woke up this morning. I mean, I could hardly walk. But I've done some things. No bourbon. Got no bourbon in the bungalow. Not going to get any. So, alright, here we go with the dumplings. As you can see, I put the whole big batch in a smaller pan. I don't need all that. I'm just going to make a few dumplings since it's just me. And I have this milk. I think you could keep this in your bunker prep supplies. It says November 3rd, 2017. Huh. First time I ever saw boxed milk was in Germany back about, I don't know, 30 years ago. And I was fascinated by it. But yeah, I usually have a few of these on hand because I don't drink milk all the time. So you can just keep it without chilling it. So until you open it, then you need to. So I've already got the Bisquick. Yes, I use Bisquick because I prefer the fluffy dumplings, but I'll eat the flat ones. So I need to put 2/3 of milk in here. Alright, since that's only 1%, putting in just a tad of my half and half. So you gotta know how to improvise. I'll mix this up. I think I made a mistake. Dang it, I cut the recipe in half. Okay. I made a mistake. Okay, I'm in pain, folks. Oh, shit. Let's see. It said 2/3 cup. I only used about 1/3. Oh, well, I'm winging it now. Heck, Lottie, I kind of messed up. I cut the Bisquick in half, but I was putting the full dose of milk in there. Okay, I'm not thinking straight. I'm just still not feeling good. But I gotta get this video from hell done. I've just got to get this video. Plus finish my chicken and dumplings. Alright. So it's boiling right now. I'm gonna put just a little bit because I don't want monster dumplings. Okay, I think it's still a little too runny, but quite frankly, I don't give a shit. I'm sort of over this whole action right now. I barely get up out the bed. Whoa. Woo! Alright, so it says cook 10 minutes uncovered and then 10 minutes covered. So that's what we're going to do. We'll be right back. But I must say, the chicken and dumpling sauce is just freaking awesome. Awesome. Did a good job, y'all. But, and I'm working and doing this in disrepair. I'm not my normal self. Okay, let's look at the time. Alright. Thank y'all for hanging in there with me, though. Alright, it's been 10 minutes, and now I'm going to flip them. Oop, here comes a carrot. Flip over, Big Daddy. Snap myself, and I've kind of lost my whole patience with all of this. Whew. All right, now I gotta cover it. Oh my, the cooking video from hell. Okay, so there's the dumplings. Looks good. Whoops. Huh? Let's get one of these dumplings out. Let's get rid of that. Yep, baby. Be all puffy and lovely inside. All right. Okay, y'all. There's my chicken and dumplings, otherwise known as Slippery Popeye. Okay, y'all. I got to go, dog. This has been just a nightmare.